Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, man, to all the viewers. All the viewers on the Voice of Bedman. Yes, Iyah. First and foremost, yeah, man, from week when I come from, from the YouTube channel. Yeah, man, ready, man. From week when I come from the YouTube channel, but one video said, tell what it. Yeah, man. Since from today, the 12th of May, from the 12th of May, to the second week of July, a strictly graduation thing. Me I deal right now. Strictly graduation thing. Yeah, man. Right now, my first school, what I do, a year primary, infant department. So from now until July, I go busy. Strictly graduation. I'm on the parents them if you know say every graduation what me do, but I am the official photographer. I'm gonna be live stream on the Voice of Bedmiller. So you can tell enough friends and family overseas who can come on the Voice of Bedmiller and watch your fanfare. Yeah, man. The glitter and the glamour. A 8 infant graduation and 8 primary graduation in a seat. All a high school graduation in a seat. All the schools them. Yeah, man. Yes, I say it's all about the kids of Jamaica. Graduation time. See there? Yeah. Me just circle them look a bit. Me not keep it on them. Me circle them. See them here? I put on them pretty gown and yes. I want to know say 19th of July. 19th of July. Now go there a mini Miss Spicy Hill. Miss Spicy Hill. Yeah, man. People want people to know say a graduation time now. Don't hear yellow. You're different because it's a yellow. A graduation time, you know. So looking forward to see all who graduating. Because we have preschool graduation, infant school graduation, high school graduation. So a graduation time now better from now until the 1st week of July. Pay graduation for the Voice of Bedmiller. And I say, I give thanks to me, how much? 2,000 subscribers I got right now. And I give thanks to all of the, I'm saying now, all the 35,000 viewers who watch Usain Bolt father funeral. A motherfucker 50,000 viewers me get, you know. 35,000 for the first section and about 16,000 for the second section. And about 50,000 people I get.
And Mrs. Bernard?
Yes.
You're needed. Miss Simpson?
So I say, thumbs up and all the thumbs up I get.
Miss
Let me say now,
yeah,
comment for me right now. And thank all who support my channel. Thank the 35,000. First never get so much views at one content. Yeah. So, as I say, I just graduation vibes, you know, graduation love, graduation feelings. Everybody goes to Jamaican people. In my graduation Voice of Bedmiller. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Suko. Big up yourself, Suko. Graduation time at Jamaica now. Yes.